Surprise, surprise, surprise. Samsung's epic secret for 2025 is finally out. We may see a birth of a new Galaxy S flagship, aka the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim. According to the IMEI database, a Samsung flagship phone with a model number SM S9737U was found. And no, it's not the S25 Plus. That one has the model number SM S936U. It's not the S25 Ultra. It is now expected to be Galaxy S25 Slim. In fact, Ice Universe confirmed the existence of the S25 Slim and also said that it has an ultra camera. While it's using the main camera from the S25 Ultra, which is coming at 200 megapixel resolution, the other camera sensors could be similar to the standard S25 and the S25 Plus. But as the name suggests, Galaxy S25 Slim, this is going to be Samsung's most perfect, most insane, most premium creation as far as the slimness and the most premiumness is concerned. In fact, I kind of expect this model to be even more expensive than the S25 Ultra itself. Again, I could be wrong, that's just my guess. Just to give you a reminder, earlier this year we saw how Apple is planning the iPhone 17 Slim model for 2025. That model is also expected to be the most expensive iPhone in that whole lineup, so Samsung is like, no, we're gonna do this first. They're actually planning to beat Apple once again. With the birth of S25 Slim, this is going to be the most packed Galaxy S flagship lineup in history. Samsung is looking strong. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, we have some very exciting, accurate concept renders from Technizo for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. He's done a fantastic job showing off the colors, how they could look in real life. Not gonna lie, the more I look at these renders, the more I want the S25 Ultra. It's looking like the perfect evolution from the S24 Ultra's design. Now with the S25 series, Samsung will be bringing their second gen Galaxy AI features, and one of the features could be similar to how we have in Apple Intelligence, and that is AI summaries. What's different about Samsung's implementation is that Galaxy AI could summarize notifications in different languages rather than just being limited to English, which is what we have with Apple Intelligence. Now last but not the least, we could see Galaxy Ring's second generation a lot sooner than expected. According to the rumors coming from Korea, Samsung is looking to launch their second gen Galaxy Ring quite a bit earlier than expected, and honestly we might even see this at the Unpacked 2025. It's said to have loads of new features, but the source didn't reveal what exactly we're gonna see. Again, only time will reveal what Samsung has done with their second generation Galaxy Ring. So there we go, that's all the latest Samsung news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.